Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, Silver EP3. We've done some Civics this week, I tell you. This one's got some modifications, which we'll list through towards the end of the video. But yeah, it's having an ECU exchange. Stock power run first to find out what she's putting out right now. ECU exchange and then start tuning. But we love an EP3, so let's get on with it.
Bit of colour on our faces, looking a bit more human.
Look a bit more human.
Second map of the day, EP3. Got some mods on it. What's it got, Rich? Got an InGen.
Geno fitted a 4:1 Decat manifold today.
Yes, he did. Well
he
done,
did fit
Geno.
that. It's got a Toda 2¼ inch exhaust, which obviously we all know 2¼ is not the best, but the system looked pretty nice, to be fair, when I was underneath it having a look at it.
Quite quiet, I think.
Yeah, it's a nice 2¼ inch system.
Really
Normally
is.
they're quite raspy, and it's got a really good. It's got a good mid box and a really good sized back box on it, which is obviously taking some of the sound out. So it does sound really nice, to be fair. I think, you know, normally you get a rasp, don't you, with a smaller, and it sound horrible. You don't get that at all with this. So a nice system for sound. Maybe not the best for power, but it certainly sounds nice.
I wonder how much they are.
I don't know. I've no
Toda,
idea.
that's a proper make.
Yeah, I've no idea what that would cost.
Somebody can drop that in the comments below. So yeah, InGen induction kit, Toda exhaust and Japspeed 4:1 manifold.
So minimal mods, really, to be fair. Obviously on the stock inlet manifold, on the stock throttle body. Yeah, I mean, I'd say like maximum you're going to make here is around 230, and that's exactly what we made.
We made exactly 230, Richard.
Yeah, exactly.
200 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, 230, 200 wheel horsepower. I'm really happy with that. I think it's come out really well.
Sounds nice.
It comes up onto power, probably around 7.5, and then we're sort of holding.
Made 37 brake horsepower in the mid range.
Yeah, so that's good.
Amazing, ain't it?
And we sort of held from 7.5 to the end. It does slightly tail off on power, but I mean, we're only talking a few brake horsepower here. I've tried to hold it as best I can and hold it flat to the end of the rev range. Obviously, that is the exhaust at that point. Obviously, with better mods, it would continue to make peak power at peak revs. But obviously, once the exhaust full, and that's it.
Yeah. Well, really happy with that.
Yeah, I think so. Should we have a look at the graph?
Let's look at the graph. All right.
Well, there we go. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. Lowered the VTEC, extended the rev range somewhat. 37 brake horsepower made in the mid-range there. We finish on 200 wheel horsepower, which equates to 230 today. So there we go. Another one in the bag. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.